Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you now how to set up VPN using WarGuard application. For more information on what is WarGuard VPN, you can search it on their website, warguard.com. Without further ado, let's get started. I have here a topology. We have office site and remote site. Office site is our VPN server and remote site is our VPN client. I am done doing the configuration in the office site. You can watch the previous video for more information. I will put the link in the description box below. Let's access now our VPN server. Go to WarGuard, double click, copy and paste the private and public key in the notepad. We will download now and install the WarGuard application. Let's go back again to the WarGuard website. Go to installation. In our case, the operating system of our computer is Windows. We will download the Windows installer. I'm done downloading and installing the WarGuard application in my computer. So as you can see here, you can install WarGuard in Windows, macOS, Ubuntu, Android, iOS, and all these operating systems. For this demonstration, I will show you the Windows. Let's run now the application. Click Add Tunnel. Click Add Empty Tunnel. Put a name, so I will just put a name WG0. Then copy the public and private key and paste it in the notepad. We need to add these commands in our tunnel. In this field address, this is the WarGuard address of this tunnel, 10.1.1.2. This is the WarGuard address of our remote site. Then for the public key of the peers, this is the public key of the VPN server. Allowed IPs 0.0.0/0. This means that all traffic will be routed to the WarGuard interface. Endpoint 192.168.200.2. This is the public IP address of our VPN server. Then port 13231, this is the port number of WarGuard. Then persistent, keep alive 10 seconds. Click save. Then let's access again the VPN server. Let's go to peers, click plus. Select the interface. Then for the public and private key, paste here the key of the computer's WarGuard. Let's copy the public key. Paste. Then the private key as well. Paste. The allowed address, input here the WarGuard address of the remote site. In this case, it's 10.1.1.2. Click apply. Then okay. I will connect again to my computer. But this time, I will connect to the different network. So I cannot access now the office site because I am now connected to a different network. Let's go back to the WireGuard application, then click activate. The status now is active. Then the last handshake is now running. This means that my computer and the VPN server is now connected. So when we do ping, let's ping the WireGuard address of the VPN server. It's 10.1.1.1. It's reachable. We will try also to ping the local network address of the VPN server. In our case, it's 192.168.168.1/24. It's connected. We can now access the VPN server in the Winbox. Just input here the tunnel address. Then click connect. Can now access. If we click deactivate, we cannot ping now the tunnel address and the local address of the VPN server. Let's try to ping. It's unreachable. It's still unreachable. We try again to activate. The status now is active and the handshake now is running. Therefore, it's connected. And when we do ping, it's now reachable. This is guys on how to set up VPN using WireGuard application. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please also hit that notification bell so you can be notified to my new videos. Bye for now and have a nice day.